Hello everyone, welcome to another very interesting video. In this video, I will show you what is ChatGPT Vision. Now, as you can see right here, this is ChatGPT Vision. It's basically a way where ChatGPT can now see, hear, and speak. This is called ChatGPT Vision. As you can see, they're beginning to roll out new voice and image capabilities in ChatGPT, making ChatGPT a better AI overall. They offer a new, more intuitive type of interface by allowing you to have voice conversations with ChatGPT directly. Now, as you can see, this is how it works. Obviously, they're rolling out voice and images in ChatGPT to Plus and Enterprise users. So you will need to go to ChatGPT, go to ChatGPT 4, upgrade it for $20 a month to have these features on your phone right now. So as you can see, this is how you're going to be able to do this on your phone. Let me just play a video so that you can see quickly.
We want to hear a bedtime story. Tell us a story about the super duper sunflower hedgehog named Larry. Start with telling us a little bit about him.
So as you can see, it's asking you questions. You can answer these questions as well. This is how you can use voice to engage in a back and forth conversation with your assistant. Now, this is pretty scary because this is AI. It's not actual human voice, which is pretty scary for me at least. So as you can see, you can also listen to voice samples like stories right here. Or you can chat about images as well. You can now show ChatGPT one or more images. You can troubleshoot why your grill won't start, for example, or explore the contents of your fridge to plan a meal, which is pretty scary as well. Let me play this video for you and let me show you how this would work. So as you can see, you can type in pretty much everything right here, let me just go here and let me do, if I can mute this video, or if I can just mute the entire site here, and tab, just because the copyright music. So as you can see, you can basically go, you can enter whatever you want for the bike, and then, for example, the bike image, and then you will get the answer for that particular image right here, as you can see. If you have tools, show me and I'll guide you further, which is great. It's basically giving a way to learn how to fix your bike, which is great. You have more options. Obviously, they are still deploying image and voice capabilities gradually. You can use this on your iPhone or on your Android with ChatGPT app. However, this is what ChatGPT Vision is all about. They're improving how ChatGPT speaks, hears, and sees. So yeah, if you have any questions, if you want to see more about ChatGPT Vision or any other features, you can check out our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.